I think this is gonna be too thin. That's my gut. Some of the lemon. Way too much cream. I'm trying to get to the lemon. 2 1/4 cups of water going in. And use your kettle to get things started. And in there, add the rind of 1 lemon. I've got 1 1/2 actually. And we're just scalding that lemon rind. Okay. So now, as that lemon rind is in the hot water, I'm gonna add my flour into the measuring cup and add my sugar in as well. Just stir that up a little bit. You'll see, because we're gonna take some of that water and add it into the flour and the sugar, a little bit at a time, just to introduce it, okay? If I added all this into the hot water, we're just gonna get clumps, and we don't want clumps. We want this lemon pie velvety and smooth. So a little bit of hot water in there, a little bit more hot water in there. Once it's incorporated and introduced, then I'll add that in slowly. And of course, I am gonna take out the lemon rind as well, okay? This process here is gonna take us about 20-22 minutes, okay? Basically what we're doing here is we're creating a nice lemon water. Okay, so time to remove the lemon rind. Let's take all of that out, nice. You can actually make a nice cup of tea with that if you'd like. We need a little bit of our lemon water here, slowly adding it into the flour mixture. We'll stir, add a little bit more, but it's just a little bit at a time, okay? That's good, we're introducing it. Oh, they're becoming best friends. This way, we're gonna avoid this getting clumpy on us, okay? So we keep on stirring it around here. Become nice and drippy, and then we're gonna slowly add it into our remaining water. Look, see that? We have no clumps. That's what we want, and we can add in just a splash more of our water mixture. Excellent. And we're gonna do the same process when we get to our egg yolks. We're gonna start our egg yolks in our measuring cup here, and we're gonna add some of this entire mixture into that. Introduce them, make them best friends. All right, we're set. So now we're gonna start slowly adding, and as we're adding, we're gonna be stirring. Remember, we can get the ingredients right, but technique-wise, if you wanna have a nice lemon pie that's not gonna be clumpy, this is the important part, okay? This process here, we're gonna be stirring a lot, and we're gonna be stirring for on and off for about 20 minutes here, okay? And you'll feel it as you're stirring it. You'll feel it starting to come together, okay? Do not lose focus here. On and off for that 20 minutes. Once this is cooked, I'm gonna cover it and leave it. After 15 minutes, and we're getting thicker, which is great. A couple of minutes, I'm gonna cover this and let it finish cooking for approximately 15 to 20 minutes until it gets really nice and thick. And then I'm gonna have my egg yolks over here. I'm gonna add some of this into the egg yolks, slowly incorporate, get them married, then pop it all back in, take it off the heat once it's mixed up, add in the lemon extract, lemon juice, and butter, and then fill it into the pie shell. We're looking like, after 15 minutes of lid covered, see how we're getting thicker here? The last 5 minutes are crucial, but it is getting nice and thick. We'll leave it covered to finish. Hey! I set our timer. So that was exactly 20 minutes. I'll do left-handed, you can see a little bit better. That was 20 minutes. Take my 2 egg yolks, lightly beat them, okay? The reason I'm gonna incorporate that hot mixture into the egg yolks is because we don't want eggs. We're not trying to make scrambled eggs. If I add this into this, it's just gonna clump up the eggs. We don't want that. So I've just lightly mixed them. We're good. The roux, I'd actually like it a little bit thicker. That's gotta be a little bit thicker. Going for it right here, everybody. It's gonna take a little bit of our hot mixture, not much, right there. Add it in. Give this a little mix, and then I'm gonna take a little bit more. I'm gonna add it in. A little mix. A bit more. A little bit of a mix, just like that. Keep on mixing here. Leave that in there 2 minutes. I knew we ran low on water there. I knew it. I could tell we had no more steam going. It's been a challenge to get it to the desired consistency that I was looking for today. We're gonna see when I add in the butter and if this firms up. once it goes in the pie crust. Butter in. Let's stir that. The bowl is extremely hot, okay? I'm gonna have faith that my butter is gonna help out here. Quarter cup butter in there. That butter is melting and incorporating. I have 2 whole lemons juiced, fresh. Add that in slowly. Don't get nervous. Now I'm also going to add in, I'm gonna put a few drops here. It'll be about I wanna say about a half tablespoon lemon extract to start. Then I'm gonna test it and make sure the lemon flavor is there. Right? It should be, but I wanna make sure that we've got a nice strong lemon flavor here. I'm not looking for just a hint of lemon in my pie. Need to let this cool down a little bit before we add it into the pie crust, okay? This test time, make sure we have enough lemon flavor in there. Nope, not enough. I'm going big here. That was another tablespoon. I actually think it's too runny. Now that's a good lemon flavor. Boom! We're good. It's cooled down a little bit, but I think this is gonna be too thin. That's my gut. We'll see though. Don't lose faith in what you're doing. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cool a little bit here, then I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and then we're gonna pray. You're not gonna waste good chocolate on this lemon pie, and you'll see why. You'll see why. And I was lazy at the beginning. You guys probably saw that already going, Andrew, what are you doing? And I'm like, I don't know. I just didn't measure, and too much water. I tried. You'll see the pie. You'll see the pie right here. The cream looks good. The pie, and you're like, oh, the pie doesn't look bad. The pie doesn't look bad. Okay, so we got up a little bit higher. But check this out. See how it's drippy and watery? There's no way I can save that now. Like it's done. It's soup. It's soup. You'll see it when I cut it, but you might be saying, well, why are you showing it to us? Why are you showing it to us? This is what happens. I mean, this is what happens sometimes. Look, if I tilt, that's soupy. This should be firm. This lemon pie should be firm. I dropped the ball on this one. It wasn't my best. I was going to bring this somewhere today, and I knew it wasn't going to get the boom. And to respect the integrity of the boom, I did not bring this out. But we're going to put some lipstick on it now. I don't even know if this held. Oh my, look at that. It's just going to, what a waste. What a cluster. Look at this. Believe it. This is now officially my worst pie I've ever made right here. We're witnessing it. Hey, this can't be saved. Look, as I'm putting it on, it's pushing it out because it's not firm. I'm going to try and save it. I'm going to try and save and make it look good. Now it's just, I've wasted great ingredients. I mean, I'm not bringing this anywhere. Who am I going to serve it to? They'll be eating soup. They'll be like, what'd you do? And yet, if I wanted to, I could edit this, make it look half decent. So look at that. Even that's separating. My gosh, what a cluster bump that is. I do some swirls here, but look, it's overflowing now. I can't even make this look good. Even wasting more ingredients. Just some lemon zest. I have some lemon zest. And I couldn't even boom that because it's not worthy of the boom. Chocolate shavings here. Like that is soup. Take a picture and then everyone's gonna be like, oh wow, it looks so good. No, it doesn't. It's soup, man. This is soup. I can't even. It's not even. Look, so turned out to be like soup today on this pie. The lemon pie. This is a classic kitchen failure right here on the lemon pie. I can't bring this anywhere. Crust was good, but if I go to slice this, it's just gonna boop. So I'll do that afterwards, but I'll put it in the fridge. This lemon pie does not get the boom. This is now officially not the best lemon pie I've made. This is now the worst lemon pie I've made. Oh, no boom, no bam, whatever. Lemon pie, oops. We don't hide things in this kitchen. Maybe it's not as bad as I think in there. See what happens when I lift it. Oh yeah, soupy soup. Look, it's like it just filled in the hole. At least the crust is good. There's no flop in that crust. Well, I was able to taste the cream in the crust. All the lemon fell out. Gotta try and get some of the lemon. Way too much cream. I'm trying to get to the lemon. Get in there quick if I want lemon. Got lemon. Look, it's all soupy. Well, flavor-wise, this gets the boom. Execution-wise, this is awful. This is a terrible pie. I'm not gonna pour it out and be an idiot on camera just so I have to clean it up afterwards for views. I'm not doing that. Try though, see if I can lift it up for a bite. Our pie. Look, it's soup. Great flavor on this lemon pie, but don't make it this way. Crust is good though. I just don't like wasting product. I can't even enjoy it. There's not even any lemon there. It all fell out. Well, now I'm gonna have to wash that too, darn it. Certainly not getting the triple boom on that lemon pie. But my crust is great. Yeah. Always look for the positives when you make mistakes. That's a good crust. What a shame. Pie crust was perfect. Oh, jeez. We need to do better. No boom.